I am Vicky. I've got a 2-bedroom flat which I bought. When I first moved into the flat, my recycling system was just a carrier bag in a pull-out pantry. So one of the first things that I was looking to get was a new recycling and waste system. And given the kind of minimalist, clear surface aesthetic that I wanted for my flat, I thought, why not put the bins into the cupboards? And that has completely revolutionised my whole recycling system. I no longer have any bin juice in the bin, which is great. And actually my waste has really reduced. From a selfish viewpoint, I went into the project trying to save a bit more money, like I guess a lot of people did. And while I did save money, I also got a lot of other things from the project. Something unexpected was the desire to help other people live in the same way. I've recently considered setting up a decluttering business to kind of get people to live Lagom, only use what they need, and to kind of see what positive changes that they can make in living efficiently and more happily.